Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of January the 5th to the 11th over at Walgreens. And there's lots of great deals curbside. I know a lot of you that are having you're snowed in or the weather's kind of crazy right now. So we have you covered with this curbside video. What a curbside deal is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check. And if you subsequently can't add items to your cart, it's probably not in stock. And sometimes with these curbside deals, they're very popular, and this is how a lot of people love to shop. So the quicker you are to put your order in, the quicker you are to get your stuff. In case you missed it, I made a video yesterday in store where I did a bunch of deals with Register Rewards, looked around at various things, and found the best deals. A lot of these deals are, I'm not doing some monster $50 or $70 basket. They're smaller deals just to use Walgreens cash or rolling your Register Rewards. You might want to check it out. I'll link it at the very end. And if you could do me a huge kindness, guys, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out the channel and to make sure that this video gets out there. So if you could like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so according to a very good manager friend of mine, on Monday, January the 6th, today, Walgreens Christmas clearance 80% off. That usually goes for part of a week, and then they box it up towards the end of the week, and then it's donezo. So there were 2 aisles filled with Christmas stuff. Whatever your store has left, if you've been in there recently, you probably have an idea. At 80%, use your Register Rewards or Walgreens cash and stock up for Christmas next year so you can have Christmas stuff on the cheap. Fluttering around the internet, Walmart is supposed to be 90% Christmas today, and it's usually till everything gets cleared at their store. And 90% is really fantastic for a lot of ornaments or wrapping paper. I would definitely go to your Walmart, see what they might have left, and try and make something happen as well. Number 1. Okay, so for this deal, we're looking specifically at a skincare deal. We're grabbing 2 of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansers. This is like heaven in a bottle. So we're putting 2 into a cart. We have 2 digital coupons. That 3 off of 1 will attach twice. That's a store coupon. And then we also have a 6 off of 2. How lovely is that? Just to show you the chorus line, 6 and then using the code WAG10, applied offers, you would type it in on the top. Extra money coming off right there. The overall basket is $23.98, $7.20 coming off with the code WAG10, and that's $6. Free curbside pickup, $1 of tax, $6 manufacturer coming off. So the total here is $11.79. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay $1.79 for 2 of those micellar waters. I mean, with the really cold climate, there's nothing greater than that at the end of the day, just to pamper your skin. So I do love this product. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is Lubriderm for $3.99. Why are you putting this in your cart? Because there's a $3 digital attaching to this. And it's a 6-ounce bottle, but 6 ounces with the winter months that we're in right now, I mean, it is magic in a bottle. This isn't only for you, so hopefully you have it on all your accounts. We do a lot of skincare deals here, so I had it on both of my accounts. And then to get the math to balance, I'm throwing in 3 toilet papers because I'm going to be super practical with this transaction. So to show you the Lubriderm coming off, and then if you use the code WAG10, an extra $1.35 off. The overall total for this basket is $16.49, $1.35 melting off, along with your $3 digital for Lubriderm. The total is $13.05. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and pay $3.05, and I think that's a very solid basket. Deal number 3. Okay, so this one is rather interesting. The Gain, these larger bottles of the liquid, or the Flings, the larger the higher counts of those for $15.99. There's a $4 digital attaching, and it's really kind of strange. So it's just a regular meat and potatoes deal. I wish that P&G was offering us a spend 20, get back 5, but they're not being so generous at the beginning of the new year. We have these $4 digitals, so you can either pick the really big thing of the Flings or the liquid. I know a lot of you prefer liquid for certain types of like, bedding or whatever. I prefer the flings because they're easier to store, but that's just my opinion. And then so just to show you the $4 melting off, and with the code WAG10 an extra $1.20. So that's why doing this curbside, you're saving a bit more money. So $15.99 WAG10 free curbside pickup and 89 cents, and $4 digital melting off for $11.68. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.68. If you really want to go for this one, throw both the flings and the liquid, and then it'll be like $23. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $3 if you really want to stock up on these detergent products, especially if you have a lot of Walgreens cash. I mean, this stuff is really smart to stock up this time of the year. Back to my absolute favorite, we're doing a deal on more skincare. So this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Paris it's like a nighttime cream. They're BOGO 50% off, so $7.98 for the 2, along with a Maybelline Baby Lip for $5.49. I love those baby lifts, and I love gifting them too, especially around Christmas. I'm stocking up for next year. Now, this isn't only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. It's a 10 off of 2 for those L'Oreal skincares. And then we also have this $2 for Maybelline, which is a new coupon, so I was really delighted to see that this is back. There's a lot of other Maybelline clearance in store, but for online or for curbside, this is what we're getting. So just to show you the chorus line, and then $1.15 with WAG10 extra coming off. The overall total is $23.47, $1.15 with WAG10 free, tax $12 melting off. So the total here is $11.66. If you have it, $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.66. And I think this is a really smart basket. You have some really nice night cream. You have a baby lips to throw in your purse. I mean, it's just fantastic. Deal number 5. Okay, so this is the last one that we're looking at, and we're going to need the 3 back when you buy 2 of the Garnier shampoos. Please make sure you have it loaded, and I believe this is of a one-time use, this booster. We're going to throw in 2 of the Fructis shampoos, or you could grab, I think there's a mousse also, or if you want to go with whole blends, you can throw those in, but only grab 2 of them for this dealio. So 2 of these guys. Load the best friend, which is the 3 off of 2, and then we're also going to throw in, for good measure, 2 of these Dove Degree deodorants for $7.48. And I mean, I think even ladies can wear the men's deodorant. And then we're going to grab at least like $1.20-ish of clearance candy. If you type in Christmas clearance candy, a whole bunch of items should populate, and at 80% off, you'll probably have to add more than just the one that I did because I did this on Sunday night. And the final coupon that you're going to load is this $4 off for the deodorant. And then just to show you, $4, $3, and then 35 cents with the code WAG10 melting off. The overall total here is $16.67, 35 cents with WAG10, and $7 in digitals melting off. $10.23. Use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 23 cents. And you're getting an additional $3 back. Not too shabby. That's it for this video, guys. If you want to watch yesterday's haul video, it's linked right here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.